Question 12 relates to the equivalence of fractions and decimals. So it's asking us to find the value or calculate the value of 3/8 as a decimal. Now, 3/8 actually means 3 divided by 8. And the way in which we find it as a decimal is we can do 3 divided by 8 using the bus stop method, you might know it as. So 3 divided by 8. And set it out like that. Now obviously 8 won't go into 3. Okay, it's larger than 3. It won't fit exactly in. So I'm going to put 0.0 here. And I'm going to say 8 doesn't go into 3 at all. There are no 8s in 3. And I'm going to line my decimal points up and I'm going to put that 3 here. Now I could say that 8 goes into 30 now. So 8 goes into 30 3 times because 3/8 is 24. And that's going to leave me with 6 left over. So I'm going to put another 0 here. And then I'm going to say 8 goes into 60. If I think about my 8 times table, 8 goes into 60 7 times because 8 sevens are 56. So it goes in 7 times 56. That means there's 4 left to get to that 60. And then 8 goes into 40 5 times. So I can say 3/8 is the same as 0.375. Here we are. Now if you pause the video and have a go at this question, press play when you're ready. This question says, showing all your working, write 0.37, 2/5 and 35/100 in ascending order. Okay, ascending means smallest to biggest. So what we need to do is be able to compare them fairly. So we can turn them all to decimals or all to percentages or all to fractions with the same denominator, and then we'll easily see which one's smallest and which is the biggest, and we'll be able to order them. Okay, so there's a few different ways you can do this. Okay, you could turn them to fractions, you could turn them to percentages, or you could turn them to decimals. I'm going to, I think in this instance, I'm going to make them all fractions out of 100. So 0.37, I know, is the same as 37 over 100. 2/5, if I want to make that out of 100, I look at those denominators and I say, okay, what am I doing to that 5 to make it 100? I'm multiplying it by 20. Okay, so if I'm multiplying the denominator by 20, I need to multiply my numerator, my top number, by 20. 2 20s are 40. So I know that 2/5 is equivalent to or equal to 40 over 100. And then my final one is already a fraction, isn't it? 35 over 100. So looking at these now, we've got 3 numbers that are easy to compare. So in ascending order, smallest to biggest, the smallest is going to be 35 hundredths, 35 over 100. The next one is going to be 37 over 100, or 0.37 as it's given in the question. And the final one is going to be 40 over 100, or 2/5 as it's given in the question.